Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Prepper. I'm Bellum. Today we are going to be sealing pearled barley in Mylar bags inside 5-gallon buckets. Alright, first you must always get your labels ready. This stuff will last for at least 30 years once sealed in Mylar buckets with your oxygen absorbers. And it's very simple. You get your 5-gallon Mylar bag. In order for it to actually stay and not dump out everywhere and you lose everything, stick it straight in your bucket. Makes it a lot easier. I have here a 50-pound bag of pearled barley. We use this we grind it up to add to our bread recipes to add extra iron and other nutrients. And we also, on cold mornings, we will make a barley mush kind of stuff that's similar to the old-fashioned porridge. But instead of oats, we use barley. And it's a very simple process. If you can do it without making a big, horrible mess. Just pour in roughly half the 50-pound bag. And this is also the same process you would use with rice or beans for long-term storage. Then you just kind of shake it down to compact it.
It's a lot of barley.
It is a lot of barley. And then you need to use between enough oxygen absorbers to go for 3,000 to 4,000 cc's. That would be more than enough to handle this. Each one of these is 1,000. So I'm putting in 4 so that we have enough absorption to keep the air from contaminating it after we have it sealed. This will also cut down on any insects that might be in there, because without air, insects do not survive. And then we just simply crimp to seal. I would use my impulse sealer, but this is too big for it. So I choose to use the hair straightener, like I showed that you can use when I was showing how to seal your pemmican. Just crimp across it. Try not to have too many bumps, because that could mean a gap. Make sure you're overlapping. Leave a small space so you can press out the excess air. You do not need to use a vacuum or something else to suck it out, because you have the oxygen absorbers. They are cheap, and they are easy to use. And then you just finish crimping. pull it up to make sure that it's not sucking any air in, like this is not. Then you take your lid, rubber mallet makes quick work of it. And then set that aside and move on to your next bucket. And repeat the process. Then you just stack it up, store it, and this will be good for 30 years. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, and God bless.